Okay, we have an equilateral triangle with a perimeter of 30 feet, and we need to find the area. So it's equilateral. I know I can take my perimeter divided by 3, and we get the side lengths, 10 each. And since it's equilateral, it's also equal angular. So all the angles are going to be 60. And if I drop this down, I know this is going to divide that top angle into 2 parts of 30. So now I have a 30, 60, 90. So we know that the base is going to be half the base of 30, 60, 90, and the height is going to be 5 square root of 3. So we can use that new height to find our area, which is area base times height divided by 2. So we have 50 square root of 3 divided by 2, which is 25 square root of 3. Okay, now we need to find the area of a regular hexagon with a perimeter of 108 units. A hexagon has 6 sides. In this case, they're equal because it's regular. So I'll take 108 and divide it by 6. So all the sides are going to be 18 units long. 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, and 18. It also divides the hexagon into 6 congruent equilateral triangles. So again, what we can do is drop down from the top angle, and I know that this side is going to be 9, this is 9, that hypotenuse is 18, and the height is 9 square root of 3. So we can find our area. So the area equals the base times the height divided by 2. So we have the area equals 81 square root of 3 units squared. And the entire area, so that's just for one of the equilateral triangles. So now what I can do is multiply that times 6. So the total area is going to equal the area of the hexagon is going to be 6 times 81 square root of 3 units squared, which equals 486 square root of 3 units squared. Okay, again we have a regular hexagon, but this time we need to find the area of only the shaded region, not the rectangle on the bottom. So we know that our sides are going to be 22 each. So I can take the 22, and again, I'm just going to draw one of the equilateral triangles. So if the base is 22, I can drop down our altitude, and on our 30, 60, 90, I have a base of 11. The hypotenuse, or the lengths of the sides, which are the same, is 22, and the height is 11 square root of 3. So the area of one of the triangles is going to be 22 times 11 square root of 3 divided by 2, base times height divided by 2, which equals 121 square root of 3 units squared. The area of the hexagon will be 12 square root of 3 times our 6 sides, which gets us 726 square root of 3 units squared. Now the area of the rectangle, which we can take off the area of the hexagon, is just base times height, not dividing it by 2 rather, and that gives us 396 units squared. So the area of the shaded is going to be the area of the hexagon total, which is 726 square root of 3 minus 396. So in this case, I'm going to calculate this out, and it comes down to be approximately 861.469 units squared.